I just finished building this giant machine from CNC router parts. This is a 5x10 CNC router, and it's for an upcoming project that I'm gonna do that's gonna be awesome. Now luckily, I took time-lapse video along the whole process of building this machine, so join me and see how it's done. Now be sure to read the associated article for this video for tips and tricks that I learned along the way.
The entire first day was devoted to building the main structure. Everything came in relatively small boxes, and I could lift pretty much everything by myself, but I did have help. This is Nathan Skalski from CNC Router Parts, and he helped walk me through the process. We built the frame up from this extruded aluminum. It was pretty simple. We added the linear rails and the rack and pinion, and then ultimately the gantry that's going to be moving back and forth. At the end of the first day, we were left with a machine that was mechanically almost complete. All that was left was the electronics and the drive and stuff. Two consisted of adding in all of the cabling and the computer system that controls it, as well as the spindle itself. It involved some testing. Unfortunately, the wood that would be the bed of the router was delayed from the local company that was supposed to be bringing it, so it didn't arrive in time, which gave us some minor setbacks. Nathan had to leave, and so he was training me how to use the machine here, even though we don't have the spoiler board. This is for the upcoming project that we're making. On the third day, the final piece arrived, and you could tell I was happy. The spoiler board, or the waste board, where you actually mount all your pieces and you can cut it a bit, it arrived and it needed to be prepared. And you can see here the machine is going through and adding all of the necessary bits and pieces before it smooths out the entire surface.
So here it is, ready to get to work. Now, if you were paying close attention, you got to see little bits and pieces of that upcoming project, and it's gonna be so cool, so stay tuned. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos from Make.